医院 hospital. 医 means medicine, medical, doctor, or to cure. 院 means courtyard or institution. The resulting 医院 is literally an institution full of doctors, a medical institution, or what we more practically know as a hospital. 医 is this lesson's first tone word. So, as always, remember to sing it. 院 is this lesson's first fourth tone word. So remember, without raising your volume, say it as if you mean to be stern. 身体 body. 身 means body, life, or oneself, while 体 means body, form, or style. If we were to read it literally, we might say 身体 means body form or body. Hence, it's quite safe to say that when these characters are combined, 身体 can really only mean one thing, body. 体 is the first appearance of the third tone in this lesson. Again, keep in mind, it's not really physically difficult to make this sound, as you don't do it in English. It likely just feels a bit odd or unnatural. Listen carefully to how the sound is produced and do your best to really mimic it. 体 检查 to check, to inspect, to examine. 检 means to check, examine, or inspect, while 查 means to research, check, or investigate. These two characters are mutually reinforcing and similarly result in 检查, meaning to inspect, examine, or the noun form and inspection. As we've said, this lesson is centered on health and the body. So to once again borrow from today's vocab list, you'll soon understand that 健康检查 means a health inspection. 查 is the first occurrence of the second tone in lesson 3. So practice saying it a few times with the same inquisitive tone you applied to that world-famous question. Huh? 查 健康 healthy, health. Lesson 3's dialogue revolves around Pipe going through the necessary steps to get a health checkup for a student visa. Therefore, we'll see that the concept of health is core to this lesson. 健 means healthy, to invigorate, or to strengthen. 康 means healthy, peaceful, or abundant. Together as 健康, they mean either the adjective healthy or the noun health. As we now know, 检查 means inspection. Thus, when together with 健康, we get 健康检查, meaning a health inspection or health checkup. 办 to do, to set up, to manage. 办 means to do, manage, handle, or take care of something. When dealing with any government office or bureaucracy in China, 办 is a verb you're most definitely going to hear a lot of. 办 is also often heard in the word for office, 办公室, which is literally the handling official business room. 签证 visa. 签 here independently means certificate or visa. 证 also means certificate, as well as meaning proof or to prove. We can then think of 签证 as a certificate of proof, or what we more commonly call a visa. 签 also means to sign. So, when it comes time for you to pick up your Chinese visa, be prepared to 签名 or sign your name.